Introduction to the Software Testing Lifecycle.
The Software Testing Lifecycle, or STLC, outlines a structured process for testing software products. Understanding each phase is crucial for aspiring QA professionals. By following this lifecycle, teams can consistently deliver reliable, high-quality software. Let's explore the main phases and how they work together to ensure robust, well-tested applications.
Requirement analysis.
Agreement analysis is the first phase of the STLC. QA teams review project requirements to understand what needs to be tested, clarify any ambiguities, and identify testing priorities. Detecting issues early at this stage prevents costly errors later. Clear communication with stakeholders is essential to ensure all requirements are well understood and testable.
Test planning.
Test planning sets the foundation for successful testing. In this phase, teams create a detailed test plan outlining scope, objectives, resources, schedules, and risk assessment strategies. The test plan also establishes roles, responsibilities, and the types of tests to be executed. A solid plan ensures testing is organized and aligns with project goals.
Test case development and environment setup.
The test case development follows next, where detailed test cases and scripts are designed. These test cases guide testers on what to check and how to check it. Simultaneously, the required testing environment is set up to mirror real-world usage as closely as possible. A reliable environment is key to producing accurate test results.
Test execution and defect reporting.
Test execution is where actual testing takes place using the developed test cases. Testers record the results, comparing them with expected outcomes. If issues or defects are found, they are reported to the development team for resolution. Effective defect tracking and communication help keep the project on track.
Test cycle closure.
The test cycle closure phase wraps up the STLC. QA teams analyze test results, assess coverage, and document lessons learned. Closure reports summarize the testing activities, highlighting successes and improvement areas. This reflective phase ensures continuous improvement and better planning for future projects.